crooked. Don't mind it. Anyway, what is good? So, been MIA. It is what it is. I don't have nothing to post. Now I got something to post. Anyway, for the people who know, my car is down. And this box right here, hopefully, contains the pieces to fix the car so I can drive my vehicle properly. But the box is here. And this is an unboxing video. I'm just going to say it's an unboxing video. It is what it is. I don't have my knife. My knife is in the car. But we're going to open it. We'll make sure all the parts is intact. Make sure it says I have everything that's in this box. Because if I don't, I'm going to be very upset. I spent $500 for this. So, we're about to find out if everything is here. Waited a week for it. I ordered it Monday, I think. Or no, I'm sorry. I ordered it Tuesday. Tuesday night I ordered it. It's not, no. This is my address in the video. Packaging paper. Okay. I like what I see. It has everything labeled. So we have timing chain. I'm pretty sure everything is in here. It's not opened. That's a good sign. I'm gonna grab that left. Anyway, apologies for that. Somebody was calling my name. We'll edit that out. Alright, so this is, I'm scared to open this. This looks like MDS solenoids, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, they're MDS caps. If you can see them, MDS caps. I'll leave that in there. So we got timing chain kit, MDS caps for MDS delete. This was open. I don't like that. This look like this goes to the I think these are the lifters thingies. I'm not too sure, but these were outside of the box. Just how this one is too. I don't like that. These are outside of the box. I think they hold the lifters down. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. But these are the I'm pretty sure these are the lifters. They're packaged nicely. I see they're oiled up. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit. They are oiled up. So that's a good thing. We're definitely gonna leave them in here. We got, what is this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We got 16 because we have a V8 5.7. Like I said, I didn't like that. That box was open, and these are lingering outside the box. I'm missing one so far because that's 2, 4. 4 goes on here. Another 4, that's 8, and then this is 12. I'm missing one so far. I haven't seen it. They give us high temp RTV silicone. I don't know what this box is. Oh, bolt heads. this box is open too a little bit. Don't like that either. But hopefully everything's in there. Both heads. Let me see. Made in Taiwan. Is that a good sign? I don't know. I'm trying to see if I smell it. They got like a certain scent to them. I don't know. Give it both heads. Little ones too. Don't know what the little ones are for. But they're all in here, I believe. I don't know how many both heads go to the vehicle. Try to box this back up nicely. Alright, that's one. Oil pump. They have everything labeled so far. I like that. Oil pump. It says OE quality on it too. Let me see if this is in a box. Yeah. Has the standard pressure relief spring. It's blue. Let's see. The oil pump is covered. Approximately 8 to 10. Remove the green spring and replace it with the enclosed blue one. Okay, so I guess the OEM one comes with a green spring, and they give you a blue one, so it's supposed to be a little bit better. And this is the, what I say this was? The oil pump. This is the oil pump. It's covered, so we're not gonna remove it out of its package. We're gonna leave everything packed. If we're just opening and showing. So far, everything looks like it's here. That's a good sign. Don't look like I'm missing anything. Oh look, here's the fourth one. So I got 4, so I have 16. They hold all 16. I think those are the lifters, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. This right here. Oh wait, we have another one. What is this for? It's gaskets. That's all I know. It's gaskets. I don't know what it's for. It's just gaskets. You can tell by the baggage. It's gaskets. If you tell what that's for, please let me know. Alright. This big boy. Ooh, this thing is heavy. This looks like the cam itself. Let me see. Yeah, this is the cam itself. Of course. Let's see if I can just slide it out. I'm not gonna unrip this tape, but you see the cam. Yo, this cam is heavy. Jesus, this goes in a car. It doesn't look scorched at all. That's a good sign. Everything looks brand new. It's supposed to be OEM spec. It's not no cop can. It ain't gonna chomp. Who knows? It might. I don't know. It shouldn't though. 99% it shouldn't. But that looks good. Throw that back in. So that's the, we got the oil pump, we got the head bolts, timing chain kit, and the cam. My phone wasn't recording the whole time. I don't know what it got. I have to go back and watch the footage. Well, I have everything. I have everything out. I'm just gonna start from here, and I'm just gonna rewind and show everything then. So this box right here is all the gaskets, the valve cover gaskets, for the coil packs, the exhaust gaskets. The header gasket is right here. That's one of them, you could say, and then the other one sitting inside. So that's all the gaskets that I'll be needing. Hopefully that fixes my issue. I've been told that I blew my head gasket. So gasket box. That's a whole bunch of gaskets. That's at the bottom. Just in case, I'm gonna open it again. Just in case y'all didn't see it. This is my cam. That was recording the whole time. This is the cam. It's heavy. Looks good. Like I said, the only thing. Let me see if it's underneath of it or something. Yeah, I don't see it. Maybe I can use some type of lubrication. Maybe it's in one of these boxes. That's the only thing I didn't see. I didn't see anything that lubes up the cam, so I can slide it in. It's supposed to be an OEM cam. It's not a chompy cam. It's none of that. It's just a regular cam. We're not going to do that until next year. I made my mind up. I know what I want to do. This is just to get the car back on the road, hopefully, not pray. So this motor, what's potentially is going to happen to this motor? Hopefully, all these parts fix my issue. And what I would do is take that motor out, maybe sell it, I don't know, or just build it for a backup. Just literally refresh everything inside of it. So the new motor that I would get, God forbid something happens to that motor, I can just throw that motor in, and that way I can have a car and I can drive. You know what I'm saying? That's smart. To me, that's smart. So this is the cam. If you didn't see, that cam is heavy. These are the lifters. They're all in there. And the lifters go in these. I found all four. They're right here. All four. I'm surprised they fit in there. They probably do. Shove them in there. Yeah, they fit. The lifters. Box down. Like I said, this is the oil pump right here. It's in there. See, boom, gaskets and all that. Again, if it didn't get this part, they give you a blue spring. I guess the OEM comes with a green spring. The blue one's supposed to be better. So quality of life upgrades right there. So the back of the box. This is the MDF's deletes right here. It's another gasket. I don't know what this is for. I really don't. But something in the motor. I don't know what the gaskets are for. More gaskets. This is the high temp sealant. I guess to put the silicone on the gaskets and all that to make sure nothing leaks and things of that nature. These are the bolt heads. They're all in there. I'm not opening this box. These are heavy too. So, and then this is 9 times out of 10 when you buy cam and lifter kit. MDS. This is an MDS delete cam and lifter kit. I see as I've been searching to try and find which one I want. 9 times out of 10 they don't come with this. This is another important thing. They're replacing your engine if you have the motor apart. Timing chain kit, very important. You change this, you're good for another 100K miles unless you just abuse your motor, which I don't. I just drive it. So that's a good thing. So that is my unboxing. That is my unboxing video. So hopefully I'm gonna have another video. Somebody's helping me. Us tear down the motor, and I'm gonna record the process, because also I want to know for myself when that person that's helping me is not around no more. I want to be able to do it myself, so I can watch my video and see what I did, or see what we did. That way I can do it myself if I have nobody else to help me with. So let's, yeah. And I got a new key fob. I probably didn't show it. And I got a kill switch. But also another thing. I do play video games, so I am on 2K. You can follow me on Twitch. Follow me on TikTok. And I also just had knee surgery too. As you see, I'm on my knee. I shouldn't be on my knee, but it's been a lot going on lately. So just keep me kind of a little update on what's the issue I'm having right now. So hopefully I can continue to keep these videos going and stuff. I'm gonna have a whole computer set up by the end of this month. That way I can stream. I'm gonna probably be streaming on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch. I'm on it all, and every Boy Font 1. So subscribe if you're new.